Hey my honeys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I will be reviewing this hair from Luvme Hair. Luvme Hair is a company that sells affordable luxury hair. The hair that I'm wearing on this video is 5x5 undetectable invisible lace bob wig. This is real HD lace. This hair is 100% human hair. It lasts for more than 1 year. The density is 180 and it is natural black. The hairline is pre-plucked and you can dye this hair if you'd like. The wig has adjustable straps and the circumference is 22.5 inches, and yes, it is a standard medium. The lace is top Swiss lace. This hair came in this lovely luxurious box. It was lovely packaged, as you guys can see. It came with a few goodies that are much needed when installing a wig. It came with 2 wig caps, an edge control brush and comb, bobby pins, and a few goodies as well. A special thank you to Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching this video. So over here, you guys, I'm just showing you how the wig looks in the inside. So if you are going to buy this wig, this is how it looks in the inside, and this is what you should expect. And over here, guys, I'm showing you how the hair looks before I prepare it for an installation. So when I'm preparing my wig for an installation, I love using my mannequin because I find it much easier when I'm working on the mannequin. So I put my hair on top of the mannequin and I insert my pins exactly where the lace starts. Thereafter, I apply my mousse on top of the hair. I understand that the mousse is used for volume, but if you blow dry the hair correctly, it will flatten out and it will be straight just the way that you want it. So that's what I am using it for. I'm using it to flatten the hair and to make the hair straight. Thereafter, I just apply 2 drops of my daily serum. I'm not going to apply too much because this hair is fairly new and it's still shining, but I'm just giving it a bit of a more shine just to give the hair the pop it needs. And also, I don't like dehydrated hair, so that's why I apply my serum. I'm blow drying the hair until it is flat and it is to my liking, and then I'm going in with the wax. I'm also going in with the flat comb to flatten the hair until it's nice and sleek and it is to my liking. So over here, I'm going in with my iron, and as you guys can see, this hair has been neatly cut. So this is what I like about Luvme Hair. It is as if this hair was customized for me because it's done to my liking. It shows just how much they pay attention to detail, and that for me is top tier because as a person who does not like going to the salon and getting my hair customized and just wasting my time on that, when you're getting a product from Luvme Hair, you are definitely getting an experience because you don't need to go through going to the salon and getting your hair customized in order for the hair to be to your liking. So yeah, that is why this hair is top tier for me. So this is how the hair looks, guys, after preparing the hair. So now I'm going into installing the hair. I'm using my beauty blender and I'm using the Access foundation on the wig cap. So I'm just putting on a bit of foundation, the Access foundation that I had, and putting it on my wig cap so that I can blend it correctly. I'm putting on my wig and this is how it looks even before laying the wig. So over here, I'm just trying to see where my wig will sit, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm going in with my ghost bond and I'm applying my ghost bond directly where I want my lace frontal to be. As you guys can see, I'm putting the ghost bond on and I'm spreading it across because I do not want it to be too much, because when it is too much it won't be able to dry properly. So I put in the first coat and I let it dry, and then I go in for the second coat as well. The reason I'm putting on the second coat is because I like my hair to stick for like a week, because I'm not a person that likes changing wigs on a weekly basis. So when you're doubling it, it stays for like a week. So I let it dry until it is clear and then I put on my wig. So this is how I do it. I layer it. I use my finger to press it down, and I also use the back of my comb so that it can melt onto my skin correctly. So that is what I'm doing here to make sure that it melts onto my skin. So after that, I look for spots where the lace is lifting, and I go in again with the Ghost Bond. Here I'm applying it lightly because I don't want it to show too much. I also make sure that the glue is dried down before pressing the lace onto my forehead so that it can melt correctly onto my skin. I'm now going in with my Got To Be spray, and I'm applying it directly onto my lace front where I applied glue. The reason I'm doing this is to correct whatever mistake that I did, and then I put on my pantyhose. Installing this wig is very easy because of the HD lace. You guys can see how it can easily melt down. This is definitely a wig that you can wear on a day-to-day basis because it's easy to install and it's also easy to maintain. So definitely this will be my go-to wig.